Chrome versus Firefox. So as the main tool to browse the internet, your web browser is probably your most used app. And two of the most popular, Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome, have been ever since competing for dominance. But after watching this video, we'll see how these two browsers stack up against each other and discover more about which suited you best. Then without further ado, let's begin. User-friendly. Well, if you like simplicity, then Chrome was known for its much simpler UI, which most of us were already used to. While with Firefox, its latest version has a new sleek, appealing design that feels a lot faster. But it often gets complicated for the user once they try to customize its looks, as Firefox actually allows it. So Chrome gets the first win. RAM usage. When it comes to RAM usage, Mozilla claims that Firefox uses 30% less RAM than Chrome. Meanwhile, Chrome is known for using a lot of your system memory. It's just that during some tests, both had actually used the same RAM. Additional features. Actually, both Firefox and Chrome have a massive choice of extensions, since anything that you believed was missing on it could just easily be added from their respective web stores, such as password managers to ad blockers, themes, etc. Overall, the two browsers had tied in terms of additional features. Exclusive features. So to break the tie, what was exclusive to Chrome was its casting feature with other Chromecast devices, while Firefox leans towards personalization and built-in features such as dark mode, screen capture, reader mode, etc. With that, Firefox wins this round. Security and privacy. Sadly, Chrome has limited privacy settings and was often questioned for its overall security. In contrast, Firefox is famous when it comes to security measures like blocking pop-ups, trackers, unwanted scripts, etc. Without a doubt, Firefox is superior in this aspect. Ultimately, these two stand up pretty close to each other, and both are undeniably excellent browsers. But if you're concerned about your privacy while making sure that you're getting the best aid for your work, then Firefox might suit you best. You have just discovered an amazing topic about Chrome versus Firefox. And now click this, and let's see the next amazing topic.